Hi guys, welcome to the Alpha Crypto channel. On this channel, you know the drill. I talk about cryptocurrencies, crypto airdrop, crypto news, and everything in the crypto space. I make videos every day, and I review tokens, talk about solid project, shit coins trending on CoinMarketCap, and I give you guys updates concerning various crypto projects. So today I'll be reviewing. No, this is not a review video. I'll be looking at the crypto market, and I'll be showing you guys from my indicator. There's an indicator I did a setup that screens cryptocurrency and gives me good signals to know the coins to trade at the right time, so I'll be looking at my indicator from tradingview.com, and I'll be showing you guys coins that you can consider doing further analysis on, and I'll be giving you guys my honest opinion about those coins and why you should actually consider them. So if you come to crypto screener, right, for people that don't understand how this setup is and everything, maybe I have to start from the scratch, but I wouldn't want to go that far. I made a video where I explained one of the ways I figure out coins I trade in the space of 24 hours, and I said I have a crypto screener indicator, the one I set up myself, where I'm using various tools, indicators to get the direction of the market and figure out coins I'm going to trade. So from the tools I use on this my crypto signal, as you can see, there's Alpha Crypto here. It shows that this is my setup. I use the moving average. I use EMA 20, exponential moving average 10, exponential moving average 20, 50, and I have a lot of tools I use, but I'm very okay with the exponential moving average 10, 20, and also the SMA 20. Basically, these are more than enough for me to get good indicators. Now, the idea behind this crypto screener indicator, this particular indicator I'm using on TradingView, is that it shows me the direction of the market, where the market is, and what I can do to actually benefit from the market. For example, you can see that some coins are already showing strong sell, strong sell, strong sell, strong buy, both from the moving average, the EMA 10, EMA 20, and EMA 50, right? So from this, I already know where the market is. When you see strong sell, it means that this market has been oversold, right? And if you see strong buy, it means that this market has been overbought. So when you see a strong sell, all it simply means is you need to do the reverse. Since the market has been oversold, that means the price of the market, the value of the price has gone down. Then I need to look for good buying positions where I can long this coin, because any time from now the coin will begin to go back up. And if you see strong buy, it means the market has been overbought. And when something is overbought or overpriced, what do? You wait for it to correct, then you look for you wait for it to correct. So if I see overbought, all I need to do is to look for shorting positions where I can sell massively. So with that at the back of our mind, let's quickly pick a couple of coins and let's quickly do some analysis and see the ones that can fetch us decent amount of money today. Everything you need to understand in this video, I'll take my time to explain to you guys some stuff. I don't want this video to be too long, but one thing that is very important, is imperative for you to know that this is not a financial advice. Crypto comes with its risk and its reward, and it is very important for you to not trade or invest more than what you can afford to lose, and you make sure that you also do your own research if possible before you invest your money, because I will not be held responsible for any financial decision you make, right? So that being said, some coins we'll be looking at today. You can see LSK paired to the USDT. LSK has shown strong sell, strong sell, strong sell. So I just need to open it in a new tab. Another coin is MKR from the EMA 10, EMA 20, and EMA 50. You can see that this coin is in a strong sell position. So I'm going to open that in a new tab, and you can see different coins. Let me pick one more. Jasmy also showing strong sells and stuff like that. Now all these coins will be looking for longing positions most likely. Which other coin again? Okay, and Storj. Whereas I saw big. I find it more cool to trade with coins that I'm familiar with, the ones I've traded with before in the past. I think I saw big and I saw Storj. So majority of these coins are showing good, since many of them are strong, so it means we could be looking for good longing position, good buying positions, right? So without wasting much of our time, let's quickly go straight to the chart now. Let's start from LSK USDT. Okay, from this LSK I already see some pattern. Let's look at the daily time frame. Alright, like I told you, I said when you see strong sell, it means that people have been selling this coin massively, and now we need to start looking for longing position. So if you look at this, you can see that right now this coin has been on the sell. Then at a point the sellers have lost momentum, buyers are beginning to step into the market. You can see that this is on the daily time frame, and yesterday day before, the buyers started jumping into the market, and the way it's looking like it's time for the buyers to have their own ride in this market. So in the lower time frame, we begin to look for buying positions where we can quickly jump in and also make good amount of profit. Or one, I would go on to post videos about this coin individually because each of them have their own different setup and all. So let's look at MKR paired to the US dollar theta. Let's start from the daily time frame. MKR2 is supposed to be oversold, exactly. As you can see, it's almost the same thing with LSK. You can see that MKR is also oversold. From here it has been dropping. Got here, you saw this reversal candle, and boom, it's looking like it's about to now go back up. So what we need to still do to tell you that this indicator is very correct is we need to now start looking at lower time frames where we can get longing positions, where we can buy and quickly make profit. With this strategy, like with this stuff, we can actually be looking for places to scalp, pick fast money and move on, as day traders. Now if we go to Storj, almost the same thing. From this 1 hour time frame, you can see that there's a resistance around there and there's a movement upward gently and easily. This is forming an ascending triangle, and this ascending triangle simply means that any moment from now, once this breaks this resistance here, we could be expecting an explosion. But let's look at the daily time frame. Excuse me guys, the daily time frame. As you can see, also the indicator is absolutely very correct. This coin has been oversold too, and right now there's a reversal and it's looking like the coin has started, the buyers are jumping in and it's going to be going up right now. But one thing you can take note of is that there's a resistance around this position, and once this coin breaks this resistance, you should be expecting an explosion upward, in my own opinion. So in summary, okay, Jasmy is the last one. If you're a trader and you're looking for coins you want to trade today and stuff like that, I think this my indicator, the one I set up for myself, my crypto screener, has given you some coins that you should be looking for longing position. When I say long, I just mean you should be looking for buying positions, and when I say shorting, I mean selling positions. So if you go to the daily time frame for Jasmy, you will see that Jasmy has been coming down massively and this coin has been oversold. Now one thing we cannot do with Jasmy as compared to other coins is Jasmy is still falling off, and we have not seen any major sign of a reversal candle. So we need to wait for a reversal candle that proves that this coin has been, the downward trend is finally over. All we need to do is now mark the areas of support for this coin and watch out what plays out when we get to those areas, right? Some people might say, okay, this could be looking like a reversal candle, but I don't think so. But you just have to be patient. In this game, it's better for you to be patient and watch until you get good signals before you jump into the market, because it is better for you to not enter the market than to enter the market and take loss for not being patient. So I'm just going to mark these areas of support and see what plays out when we hit those areas of support. But for Jasmy, I will not be considering Jasmy today, even though it is a coin we need to be taking note of, simply because it is currently over sold, strong sell, so that when the reversal comes and it wants to turn to strong buy, we can jump in and pick good amount of profit. Right now, these coins I've listed to you guys. If you're a futures trader, you can actually look for good longing opportunities and use decent amount of leverage. Be very careful out there. If you're a spot trader, you can actually buy this coin, on your spot trade, whatever, and we could project the amount of percent you will get in the next couple of days. That's if you're a spot trader, you want to hold for long. But if you're a futures trader, this thing on the daily time frame. If you go probably to 15 minutes, 30 minutes, just wait for a very good setup. You jump in and you pick decent amount of profit. So this is where I'm going to end this particular video, where I'm giving you guys coins you should actually consider. There are a lot of them. You can go on to check. From here, I can still see Doc, I can see Fed, I can see Storj, one USDT, one chain. I can see Neo USDT. All these coins are showing me good signals. I can see Ant, I can see BTTC. Many of these coins are showing good signals for buy, because they've been dumping for a while, and right now there's a reversal that is showing from like the last 2 days that the buyers are beginning to step in. So this is me just giving you guys update this morning. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button, turn my bell post notification on. My next video, I'll be looking at I'm talking about Bitcoin Fear and Greed Index. It's been a while I made videos. Bye for now, and make sure you don't miss out on that video.